If your squad game crashes and they give you this error message, say an unreal process has crashed the UE-SquadGame, and then it shows this fatal error, these instructions will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, the crash is caused by a mod called the inversion crazy mod. Go to the workshop, unsubscribe from it, and it should be fixed. So the crashing that gives you this error message, say an unreal process has crashed, is mostly caused by a mod which is called the inversion crazy mod. Go to your Steam workshop, unsubscribe from it, and it should be fixed. If you're still facing again the same issue, unsubscribe from all the mods you recently subscribed to, and your issue should be resolved. Now, if you're still facing again the same problem despite unsubscribe for all the mods that you've subscribed recently, then you can navigate to your squad folder for your game, which is mostly found on C program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, squad. Then you'll see engine, extra, Redisst, and then you'll see this ENUS, and run this UE prereq setup times 64.executable file. So ensure that you run this. After running this installs the required Unreal Engine components. So ensure that you navigate to your squad folder. If you don't know where your squad folder is, you can just launch your Steam, then look for your squad game. For example, let's say this is your squad game. Just right click on it, select here manage, and then select browse local files. Now also select browse local files. This will open the folder for your game. Now also to open the folder for your game, make sure to navigate to this directory here, which is mostly squad, engine, extra, Redisst, and then ENUS, and run this UE prereq setup times 64 executable file. Now, after running this installs the required Unreal Engine components. After that, you can try to clear all shader caches and DirectX caches on your computer as well. Now, to clear squad shader cache, it's very easy. Press Window plus R, and then make sure to type this, which is %local app data %, and then make sure to click OK. Now also click OK, follow the instruction. Now navigate to squad. Now also click this, navigate to squad, safety, and then shaders. Now also navigate to this, you will open the shaders folder by going to squad, safety, and then shaders, and delete everything inside shaders. If the shaders folder doesn't exist, then you can skip this step, then go to the next step, which is clear the DirectX cache. Now to clear the DirectX cache, you can copy this as well. It will be available in the description. Press Window key plus R, and then paste it by Ctrl plus V, then click OK. Also click OK. Make sure to delete all the files here inside this D3DS cache. So make sure to delete all these files. You can simply highlight all these folders from the top to bottom. After highlighting all these folders, all of them, make sure to delete them. So delete all files inside that folder. After that, verify integrity for game files, and then try to relaunch squad. To verify integrity for game files, for example, let's say this is squad as an example. Right click on it, and then go here to properties, select installed files, and make sure to verify integrity of your game files. After that, you can try to play the game. Now, if you're still facing again the same issue, if it all fails, just reinstall your game, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the problem. But mostly the crash is caused by a mod called the inversion crazy mod. Go to the workshop, unsubscribe from it, and it should be fixed. Still facing the same issue, unsubscribe from all the mods you recently subscribed to, and the problem should just be resolved. Let me know in the comment section if this has helped you, and see you next time.